Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I didn't record any videos of me doing this. I was in a hurry. I had to do another job the next day. But basically I finished it the next day, so yeah, this thing came out nice. It has it's all tongue and groove. I did it all by myself. It was a challenge for sure. Because they were 12 foot long and it was a challenge to do it all by myself, but it came out nice. It took longer than I thought, but I knocked out all the soffit in 3 days. And to me, doing this and all around the house, it's pretty quick. So all I used to nail these was an 18 gauge finish gun with 2-inch nails, and then I nailed them on like the groove part where you can't see the fastener. So, but that's that part. Everything came out nice. It looks all tight and stuff. And then here's these are 4x8 beaded plywood, and on the seams I still have to put a little strip there. I haven't did it yet. The owner hasn't got them. And then the electricians still have to put can lights, cut out the can lights, and then I gotta put vents. I gotta put vents when he gets to after the electrician's finished. So then yeah, I gotta cut those out, but that won't be like in another week or so. But I knocked all this out in 3 days. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and please subscribe.